YouTube has evolved dramatically from its early days as a platform where people uploaded random home videos. Today, it's a global powerhouse where creators of all kinds are earning serious money. Whether you're into gaming, tech reviews, vlogging, or even niche hobbies like pottery, YouTube offers a pathway to monetizing your content. But let's not sugarcoat it, making money on YouTube takes strategy and effort. It's not about uploading random videos and hoping for the best. It's about creating a solid plan that transforms your channel from just another page on the platform into a legitimate business. Let's start by breaking down the various types of YouTube income streams. The most well-known revenue stream is ads. You've probably seen them countless times, those short clips that play before or during videos. Creators make money from these ads through the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, but it's not as simple as just turning ads on. The amount you earn depends on several factors, including your CPM, cost per mil, which is how much advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views on your video. Certain niches, like finance or tech, tend to have higher CPM rates because advertisers see more value in those audiences. But relying on ads alone isn't enough. Successful creators diversify their income by exploring other avenues like sponsorships, affiliate marketing, merchandise sales, and even crowdfunding. Sponsorships can be extremely lucrative, especially if you have a niche audience that aligns well with a particular brand. For example, beauty vloggers often work with makeup companies, while fitness YouTubers collaborate with supplement brands. These partnerships can bring in thousands of dollars per deal, and sometimes, they're more valuable than ad revenue alone. Another revenue stream you shouldn't overlook is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote products in your videos and include a special link that tracks when someone makes a purchase through your recommendation. Every time they do, you earn a commission. Some YouTubers have made a small fortune this way, especially in niches like tech reviews, where viewers are actively looking for buying advice. To make a long story short, the key to earning on YouTube isn't just about hitting that upload button, it's about strategically choosing how to monetize based on your content and audience. YouTube rewards creators who have an engaged, consistent viewership. It's not just about going viral once, it's about building a relationship with your audience so they keep coming back. Think of your channel like a TV show, viewers should look forward to your next upload just like they would their favorite series. When you consistently show up for your audience, they're more likely to watch ads, buy your merch, support you on crowdfunding platforms, and even become brand ambassadors who share your content with others. Here's the deal, YouTube monetization is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Different types of content make money in different ways. Vloggers might make more through sponsorships and brand deals, while educational channels could thrive on ad revenue because of their high CPM rates. Gamers might earn more through live streaming and fan donations, using platforms like YouTube Super Chat or Patreon. Let's not forget about the YouTube Partner Program. To get started with YouTube ads, you'll need to meet the program's requirements. Currently, that means having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the last 12 months. Once you hit those thresholds, you can apply, and YouTube will review your channel for eligibility. Keep in mind that content violations or strikes could delay your approval, so always ensure your videos comply with YouTube's community guidelines. Now, what about content? It's essential to think strategically about what kind of videos attract advertisers and sponsors. This is where CPM becomes crucial again. Higher CPMs mean more money per ad view, and certain topics naturally attract higher paying ads. Content about finance, tech, or business usually has higher CPM rates because advertisers in these sectors are willing to spend more to reach their target audiences. On the flip side, vlogs or casual content might have lower CPMs because advertisers view these audiences as less niche or specialized. You might ask, how do I figure out what niche content to focus on? The answer lies in balancing your passion with market demand. If you're passionate about something obscure, like vintage book restoration, there might be a smaller audience, but those viewers could be incredibly loyal and engaged. Alternatively, if you go for more mainstream content, like lifestyle vlogs or gaming, you might have a broader appeal, but face tougher competition. The key is to find that sweet spot where your interests align with an audience that's large enough to be monetized, yet engaged enough to support you long-term.